Hello learners. Let me start with a simple question. Why does the sound of a flute calm you, but the sound of construction drilling makes you want to run away? That's the difference between music and noise. Music is a pleasant, continuous sound created by regular vibrations, like a violin, a piano, or even a tuning fork. On the other hand, noise is irregular, discontinuous, and often harsh, like the banging of a tin roof or heavy traffic. Think of it this way: music is order, while noise is chaos. Now, let's zoom into musical sounds. They come from periodic vibrations that follow a smooth pattern, giving us melody and rhythm. For example, the sound of a tuning fork can be written mathematically as y equals a sine of open bracket to pi ft plus phi close bracket. Here, a is the amplitude, f is the frequency, and phi is the phase. These vibrations create uniform waveforms that are pleasant to our ears. That's why you enjoy listening to a guitar or flute, because your brain loves this regularity. Noise, on the other hand, is like the unruly cousin of music. It's made up of irregular vibrations, jagged and discontinuous. Imagine someone throwing a stone on a tin sheet. You don't get harmony, you get a sharp, disturbing sound. Even on a crow, noise looks like an uneven, broken waveform, unlike the smooth sinusoidal curve of music. And remember, once the sound level crosses 120 decibels, noise is not only irritating, it becomes harmful to your ears. Let's actually compare the two waveforms. Music has a nice, smooth, continuous sine wave pattern. Noise, in contrast, has a jagged, irregular pattern with no periodicity. Both may have the same average frequency, but it's the orderliness of the waveform that makes one a song and the other a nuisance. Think of it like handwriting. Neat cursive looks beautiful, while scribbles on the wall just look messy. The same applies to sound. Here comes the fun twist. What's music to you might be noise to someone else. Pop music may be a delight for the younger generation, but your grandparents might call it just noise. Similarly, classical music may soothe elders but bore youngsters. This is where psychology meets physics. Objectively, music is periodic and pleasant. Subjectively, it depends on who's listening. So yes, your taste in music is backed by physics too. So let's wrap this up. Music is regular, periodic, and pleasant, with safe sound levels between 10 and 30 decibels. Noise is irregular, discontinuous, and unpleasant, often harmful beyond 120 decibels. The crow trace makes this distinction crystal clear: smooth for music, jagged for noise. And never forget, the line between music and noise can also be personal. One person's symphony might just be another's headache. That's the beauty and the chaos of sound. See you in the next session with another fascinating concept from physics.